Hi, I'm Parika. In this video, we'll learn Unicode symbol creator by using Python. Let's start with project structure. In project structure, you can see, first of all, we import the modules, we frame define, then define the variables, then define the methods and the main structure of this project. Let's start with code. Here you can see I have imported two modules. One name is the Tkinter and second module is the emoji module. Mainly the emoji module is used in Python 3.8 version, and for means earlier version we don't use this emoji, but we can create this Unicode by using another method. I will show you how to create. Here you can see this project. I have imported two modules. Then design a frame. Here we are using the Tkinter. By using of Tkinter, we can design the frame. This frame I have given one title. The title I have given Unicode symbol. I will show you how to run this program. Then I define one variable. Its name is emoji. This mainly prints the emoji stickers or Unicode symbols. Here I have created three frames. First is the top frame. In top frame, I have given some buttons. Total 7 buttons. Here you can see one display. Here I have given some methods. These are the enter phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, 5, 6 and 7. Total 7 methods I have given. This method mainly prints the emoji stickers. These are the unique codes. And text display is the particular display I have made. In this display, if we click the button, then automatic the emoji sticker will print. 14 means I have given a text display length up to 14 characters it will take. Let's start with buttons. Here you can see I have given different Unicodes. This all the Unicodes are used for face emotions. Means it shows the different faces like crying face, then happy face, confused face. This Unicode you can use in Python 3.8 only. Are using earlier version, then you don't use this code. I will show you which code you can use it. Now here we can see the here is the frame. In frame I have given text display. Okay, in this I have given background color, then font size, insert width means I have given particular block means some soaking kind of or raised kind of text display. Okay, this is a text variable emoji which we have defined earlier. Now I have defined some buttons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 buttons. In this button I have given a same configuration part of top frame. Here I have given four frames. Main frame, its name is frame, then top frame, then middle frame, then last frame. Okay. Here I have given a Unicode of emoji sticker. This mainly prints the emoji sticker. Then font color, font size, background, and command is mainly when we click the button at that time what it can be do. Here, if I click on button 1, then it prints the phase 1. Okay, this Unicode. Other buttons code are same, only the Unicode are different. Text is different, otherwise all the methods and everything are same. Now I have created another. its name is frame 1. Here you can see in the second frame I have given some methods like a woman face, man face, baby face, girl face, eyes, and princess face. We can see these emojis. Here I have used emoji module, emoji dot emojize, and then man. Emojize is the function name, emoji is the module, and if we print particular Unicode, we have to use this code or the syntax to print the to use the emoji module and to print the emoji stickers. I have used this methods in this button. You can see here. Buttons are same, only the difference is the frame is different, text is different, and command is different. Otherwise, the buttons are same. Here also I have given 7 buttons. This is a second method you can represent the Unicode. So you can represent by then Unicode number. The second is you can give the name. Now let's see the third method. In next frame I have given some another symbols like umbrella, or you can say the trophy symbol. This kind of symbol you can see here. You can create any Unicodes in Python by using of symbols. These are the methods, and the buttons are same. Only the frame is different, and this command line are different. Here also I have given 7 buttons. The last frame is the frame 3. In this frame, I have particular use another method show the symbol syntax. Here you can see by using of the syntax also you can particular create the Unicodes. And if you have means old version, then you can use this method then slash u2600. This kind of code you can use to create a Unicode in earlier version, means Python 3.6, 3.3, 3.4, this kind of version. This is here I have combined two symbols. Okay, using of this symbol you can easily create in Python 3.6 the Unicode. Here is used to clear the display. Here I have used the same buttons, only the difference is text, frame 3, and the command. Here also I have used 7 buttons, and then the last root dot main loop to particular run our program. Let's run our program. Okay. This is a 3.8 version, so I have to use. Okay, here I have to use run plus customize. Here you can see this 3 symbol creator. If I particular click on this symbol will create in the display. Okay, here the combined symbol. Okay, and if you want to clear, then just clear from this. If you like my video and if you want to learn more projects in Python, then please subscribe my channel, like my video, and give your comments and share it with your friends. Thank you.